I have no arms and no legs, but I'm very thankful that I have my little chicken drumstick here. People freak out when they see me for the first time. It's so cool. I was at a water slide all by myself. Everyone obviously at the bottom of the slide is looking up and waiting for other people to come down. And people are coming, they're freaking out. They're like, yeah, like this. And I was so tempted to look at myself and go, what happened? You know? There were times I sort of looked at my life and thinking, well, I can't do this and I can't do that. And you keep on concentrating on the things that you wish you had and the things that you wish you didn't have. And you sort of forget what you do have. And there's no point, I believe, what I've seen in life are just a couple of key principles. The first thing that I've seen is to be thankful. It's hard to be thankful, man. I tell you, when I was 8 years old, I sort of summed up my life. I'm never going to get married. I'm not going to have a job. I'm not going to have a life of purpose. What kind of a husband am I going to be? To think that you're not worth anything.
Oleh karena itu, mereka yang sempurna ya dibandingkan aku harus lebih baik.
It's freezing. I can't feel my hands. I love life. You know, so many people come and say, how come